Hello guys, welcome back to this video lesson of the week. But today is a different video lesson. Today we will talk about culture, and especially we will talk about transport in London, the London Tube. Have a look at the picture. We can see Liverpool Street, and what is this? Is the London Tube, one of the stops. On the other picture, we can see lost property. When you lose your phone or you lose your cap in the tube, you can check into lost property and see if you can find it. Let's read together the text, shall we? Fast facts, the London Tube. London has an underground train network called the Tube. It's one of the busiest in the world, and it's the oldest. The first tube train left Paddington Station in 1863, more than 150 years ago. The tube was a lot cheaper then. One single journey cost 6p only. Today, it cost about £5. Let's find out more. Fact 1. The tube has 40 ghost stations, or stations that people don't use. Some ghost stations are film sets. You can see them on TV. Other ghost stations are in pop videos. Fact 2. People often leave things on tube stations or tube trains. They usually forget their phones, but also strange things like gorilla costumes and false teeth. Fact 3. In World War II, tube stations were safe places. They were underground, so lots of children slept there. On Christmas Day in 1940, workers gave 11,000 toys to children on the tube. Fact 4. Tube train drivers work very hard. They travel 43 million miles every year. That's halfway to the sun. Now, if you follow exercise number 1, it says read again and tell me, what do these numbers refer to? 43 million, 6, 150, 11,000 and 40. Think. That's right, 43 million miles travel the taxi drivers every day. 6p, the cost of the ticket before. 150 years ago, when the first tube train left Paddington Station. 11,000? That's right, 11,000. It's the number of toys workers gave to children on the underground on Christmas Day. And the last one, 40, ghost stations on the tube. Well done. Let's go to number 2. Read the fast facts again and answer the questions. Number 1. When did the first tube station open? Are you ready? Yes, it opened in 1863. Number 2. What do we call stations that people don't use? Think. That's right, they are called ghost stations. What do people usually leave on tube trains? That's right, they leave their phones, costumes, teeth, whatever, strange things. Why did people sleep in tube stations during the World War II? Because it was a safe place for children. Very good. And finally, for today, let's go to exercise number 5. What color are buses in your town? Are they cheap or expensive? Do you take a bus to school? Think about these questions and tell me all about it in your next video lesson. Okay, bye for now. Bye.